everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is an unboxing of Hip Kit for the February 2022. Last month was exclusive Hip Kit designs and nothing added as far as other brands. This kit, I am proud to say, are a few pieces from one pack of chipboard from Simple Stories and also Pink Fresh Studio. So I guess they made their exclusive Hip Kit products and then found other elements from other brands that coordinate perfectly with it. So what I mean by that, look, we have the enamel dots from Pink Fresh Studio. This is the Happy Heart collection, and it's pastel-y, so cute. We also have the ephemera pack from that Happy Heart from Pink Fresh Studio. Very cute items in here. A lot of florals, tags, little journaling spots, icons, and sentiments. These are exclusive, so they're acetate die cuts. Love Always, that's the name of the kit, and this is from Hip Kit. From Hip Kit itself. So here are the sentiments. A lot of them are pink and like almost like a minty teal color. Let's take out a few and I'll show you. Yeah, so they're all acetate and they're decent size. So memories and pink. What are these ones I found? So I have giggles, fun. My heart is skips a beat. So these are really fun. I like these. They can be layered. Oh, this one's gold foil too. Just us. So those are really cute. And there's a lot in there. How many pieces does it say? How many pieces? 44 pieces. So you get a good selection. I love this alpha stamp. It's like a ombre pink. Is it doing good on the camera? You can see that. Yeah, it's like a little bit of a light pink to a darker pink, if you can see. But it's like a scripty font. Love, love, love. Then it's Simple Stories chipboards, and this is also called Happy Hearts. So it's the same name as the Pink Fresh, so it's got a little bit confused there. So the elements work well with the kit as well. And then the pages, the papers. Let me show you. I'll put this on this side. Okay, so this one is called Be My Valentine. So we have a very like diamond shaped thing. This reminds me a little bit of like a Paige Evans paper. And then almost like a pinky peach ledger paper there. This one's called I Heart You. Got different patterns on the hearts. And then a black and white text with some like droplets mixed media on there. This tag sheet, love it. It's called Sweet Thing. Maybe I'll do a little mini book with that, with a nice little, like a mint on mint plaid. This is gorgeous. Okay, so these were all Hip Kit. This one is Happy Heart Pink Fresh Studio. Love this. Oh, but I love this too. Why do they do that? I would totally cut these out in order to make this luscious. And now you have to pick an A or a B side. This one's called Happiness Blooms. Boo. This one's Pink Fresh as well. It's called Beautiful Moments. So these gorgeous like watercolor flower butterflies, and then this repeating pattern with butterflies in it. Pink Fresh Happy Heart Keep Growing. The tiny floral, almost like a doodle, and then this repeating pattern on like blue and white. This one's called Favorite Place. Bunch of windows. Love that. Very pastel. And then a mint with a white foliage on there. And then Sunny and Bright. Yellow background with a white floral doodle. Oh, and then this wash. This is beautiful. This is definitely a background paper. And then this one is called Happy Days. And I love it. Kind of like watercolor strips, like paintbrush marks with a little stitch mark in the middle. And then the back is this repeating pattern with a little baby leaf pattern. Oh, this one's pretty too. Happy Heart is this one. So you got the circles and all the pastel with a little like branch of leaves. Oh, and then a nice rainbow. I got my little dirty in the pastel colors. Love. So this one's a combination kit. It's not all exclusive Hip Kit items. It has Pink Fresh Studio as well as Hip Kit items. So I'm really liking that. Ugh, I'm so mad at this paper because, like I said, I would have cut these out and made this lush, and now you definitely got to choose. Definitely might use this side though. Now that I'm looking at it, you know. The tags are great. This is great. Very fun. Very fun. I love the collection. So cute. I will leave the link down below for it. It's not an affiliate link, but just if you're curious to check it out. This is the February 2022 kit. Till next time, everyone. Bye.